So when I read this news about this young girl, just 17 years old, who was on her periods, she apparently lost her life because some parasites went inside her vagina, ate her small intestine, eventually leading this to her death. I just could not sit with that news. I mean, what's the point of education when women don't even have access to basic necessities? So in India, menarche is a very orthodox practice which has been going on since years, where women are actually isolated. Menarche is the first period a girl has. I actually am a victim of this tradition, this orthodox practice. When I got my first periods, I was completely isolated, not allowed to interact with men, was not given proper food, had a different bed altogether, did not even have a proper bed. I was sleeping on the floor for almost 15 days. And I think I was fasting for almost a month because it's so much religiously followed and the old traditions that comes with. When I went to college, the first thing that I saw in the washroom was a pad vending machine. And I felt it was a very liberating experience for me. You know, you just put a 5 rupees coin in the machine and there you go, you get a pad out of it. I think from that day, I felt if schools are provided with pad vending machines, then no one will actually feel ashamed of talking about periods. I started an online campaign called Bleed with Dignity, which garnered more than 91,000 supporters across India. We also organized and observed World Menstrual Hygiene Day and did a live wall-out mural which was witnessed by more than 400 students, and also that whole wall was inaugurated by the municipal commissioner and who was addressing the entire crowd. A state government also reached out to me and said that they would include pad vending machines in their election manifesto, and I did not see that coming at all. My message to anyone seeing this is please start talking about periods. Please normalize it by talking about it. It's not an abnormal concept. Please ask your shopkeepers to not wrap it around newspapers or black polythene bags. Awareness starts at a very, very young age. Please tell your child if they ask you about what is menstruation, please tell them what a pad looks like.